welcome back to my channel Learn Fun. So let's start learning a new topic today. In the last video we learned the body parts in Japanese and one grammar sentence. And in today's video we will learn how to say what is your name in Japanese, how to say what are you doing in Japanese, how to say how are you in Japanese, some new words, some new phrases using san, miss, Miss, Mr., Mrs., Miss. How to say what is your name in Japanese? Namae wa nan desu ka? Namae wa name, wa particle, nan what, des is ka question mark. How to say what are you doing in Japanese? Nani shiteru no? Nani shiteru no? Nani means what? Shiteru no means you doing. How to say how are you in Japanese? Genki desu ka? Genki desu means I am fine. New words. Nani, what? Hi, yes. No, inu, dog. Neko, cat. San. San is used for Miss, Mr., Mrs., Miss. Tanaka, a common last name. Kobayashi, a common last name. Gupta or Singh, those are the common last names in India. And in Japan, the common last names are Takana and Kobayashi. New phrases. If you want to ask someone, do you understand? In Japanese, you will say that wakarimasu ka? And if the person wants to say yes, I understand, then it will say hai wakarimasu. And if he wants to say no, I don't understand, it'll say ie wakarimasen. Or if it wants to say I don't understand or I don't know, we can say wakarimasen. Fifth one. Please say it once again. If you want to say please say it once again to someone, then you will say mou ichido ite kudasai. If you want to say someone please speak more slowly, then you will say moto kuri ite kudasai. Next, using san for Miss, Mr., Mrs., Miss. San. It's a custom in Japanese to add san to the end of someone's name. San means Miss, Mr., Mrs., Miss and can be used on the first or last names. It's considered rude not to use san, especially when talking to or about someone you are not close to or to someone who is older or above you in status. You should never use san when referring to yourself or someone in your own family. Thank you for watching the video. Bye. Meet you in my next video.